Now, of course, as you know, things seldom go wrong at All for Adventure.
Oh, stop, oh bad, Connie, stop. Oh, really? Oh my God, you're not going to be happy with the outcome of that.
What? I thought that was my rig sitting up there. I cut the swivel.
Did you just cut it all into little pieces? Really? I just spent half an hour tying your friggin' leader on, and you just went and cut my rig into pieces. Thanks, mate.
Sorry, mate.
Literally, I got to redo the whole rig. You cut my sinker off,
I
everything.
thought I was cutting that and
Oh, I think you better go and see the
that. How is that possible?
optometrist, Mr. Magoo.
Do you think?
Launching the boat, 1770. Oh, change of plan. Oh, we're not going to launch from 1770.
We adhere to a strict regime of absolute professionalism.
G'day guys, and welcome to another episode.
You're going the All for Adventure, Keith.
No, you are.
Oh, I am now. Oh, okay.
That's what you did in practice.
Yeah, oh, okay, go.
You just said.
Yeah, but I didn't think we were going.
If you didn't want
to
to-
go. Go.
Well, Simon, how good was it?
You're a Keith.
It's the end of an episode again, guys, but we'll be back next time. So we'll see you guys next time.
Next time.
Too many next times.
I'm out, baby. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh, I spoke too soon. You.
Well done.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Where's the track go? Buggered if I know.
So here at Lorella Springs, there were 3 camps. So we're going to go and try and check out. What? Bloody helicopter just rocked up on our sand spit. Have a look at that. Do the helicopter, Simon.
I know, it's so remote and then boom.
Yeah.
Took us days of bush bashing to get here.
And the helicopter rocked.
They woke up this morning and went, oh, let's go fishing. Hopped in the helicopter.
We'll be there in 5 minutes.
This year, we work towards bringing you totally COVID-safe adventures.
The joys of bloody COVID.
What are you putting on the fire? What is that? 75% ethyl alcohol. Hand sanitizer. What the hell are you doing with hand sanitizer?
Well, I'm never going to use all that. You know how much of a grub I am.
You need lots more of it. You need a whole litre of it. Hand sanitizer. Don't give it to Simon when you're starting a fire.
Don't scare the pelicans. Pelican.
Go for it! Yes! It'll be right, mate. It's hard as. Drive the buggy out, he said. We'll get the boats with the buggy. Be back before dinner,
It'll be fine.
he said. Oh, we'll chuck these somewhere. Go and get the buggy, we'll put them in the back.
You know I will.
Yeah.
At All for Adventure, we pride ourselves in doing everything by the book. Of course, there was that one arrest,
Simon's in trouble.
What's he coming in here for?
Like seriously.
which was just a small misunderstanding.
What's going on?
Oh.
He said we could fish
Put
here.
your rod down, quick. Yeah, we're in trouble.
Hey.
Once the boys explained what happened,
I told you not to fish in there, didn't I?
It's your fault. You said
it only took a short amount of time to correct. 2
whole
days,
thing's your
with
fault.
good behaviour, apparently.
This whole thing is your fault.
See you in 2 days.
Get some food in here. It's really, really dark. It's not really good in here.
They're evil, aren't they?
2 days. You reckon you got problems? I've got 2 days in here stuck with you. 2 days.
Give me 300 hours community service.
2 days. Can we get separate cells? 2 days.
I'm hungry and thirsty too.
2 days. He's gonna eat me.
Yeah, it doesn't take it.
At Team All for Adventure, we only hire industry-leading professionals.
Righto, boys. Buzz, you good? Dave, you good?
Calls himself a director.
Jase, good?
Yeah.
Action. Jase, cool. How hard is it? Talent round here's got issues, I'm telling you.
Dropped his coffee. Now he's angry. Look, turn. See? I told you.
Hurry up and fix that bloody tyre.
Oh! Son of a!
The real tough dudes just let them grab their fingers and then they just drag them out.
Oh! Yeah!
Well done, mate.
Size of that puppy.
Good job.
Look at the big walrus on the front of the boat. Big beach master. You know those big elephant seals with the big thing? That's him. I'm going to roll him off into the water shortly.
Just concentrate on driving the boat, mate.
Dave, the cameraman, has just hooked on to a Barrett.
And he casted himself.
He did the whole lot. What do you reckon? 87, 88?
Yeah, it's an 80 plus.
It's 80 plus, Dave.
It's his first
This is his first
ever barrel.
First ever barrel. Okay, have a chip. He's going to be a while. We're going to be here a while, mate. I'll do it with you. Hey, Simon, I reckon you should do a boiler.
Yeah, have a
cup of
boiler,
coffee.
mate,
Don't put him near the outboard.
Oh, that was
Oh,
close.
don't get him under there. That's the camera boat, Dave.
Oh,
get it down,
no.
go down. Deep up, deep. Put your... Dave, put it there, brother.
Woo! 90 centimetre barrel, your first hour, I'll punch you.
Living the dream. Cam trying to film him and make him look good, which is a bit of a mission. Justin over there and Dave over there. The old Barra Dave they call him now. Barra Dave. We're actually working. We are working. So.
And by the way, these All for Adventure moments were brought to you by Rhino Rack.